welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me again. I hope you guys subscribe and also tune in for my new videos coming up soon. Thank you guys already who have subscribed and who keep coming back to watch my new videos. So today I wanted to do like a quick little video on stuff that I bought off of like Farfetch and IMGA and like a vintage store online from New York City. Since we can't go out shopping, I've been kind of like spending money I probably shouldn't have, but so I just thought I would do like a quick little video on what I bought and unboxing them also, and show you guys, so stay tuned. So like I said, I'm gonna do like a little unboxing of stuff that I bought. So I'm kind of hoping that stuff goes back to normal soon so I can have a summer, because me and my best friend bought tickets to go away for her birthday, so we're hoping that that works out. So I've been buying stuff so we can go. So there's a website called Farfetch. They sell like designer clothes and stuff like that, but they usually have like good prices on there. So I've been buying stuff off of there, so I want to show you guys a couple pieces that I bought from Farfetch. How Farfetch works, it's kind of like a website, and I guess other stores put their stuff on the website. I guess that's how it works, because the first piece that I got, it's actually from the Webster, which I think they have in like Miami Beach. I'm pretty sure. I remember when I went there that I seen it there. But I got an off-white tank top, so it comes in this cute little bag like it always is, with like the little stripes, orange. It's like a zip tie type thing. Little off-white tank top that I got, and it just says off in the front and has like these little strings in the front of them. Then it has like the little tags on the bottom like off-white usually does have. It does fit at the top. It's just like a little flared out at the bottom, but it's still cute, and it would go like cute with like a nice flared back black jeans, like that I'm wearing right now. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a cute little plain little tank top, and like I said, it just says off-white in the top, and it's just plain in the back also. So nothing too serious, just like a plain cute plain back top black tank top with like these little strings at the bottom. I like it. I just don't really like the way that it fits down here. Maybe if it was a little bit more tucked in and tighter, because I like my clothes more tighter than loose. So my next one is from Farfetch also. This is just going to be a dress from Jacques and Mousse. Hopefully I'm saying it right, but I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. So it comes in this little black dust bag. Doesn't really say anything on it, but it's just like a little black dust bag. It's gonna be a white dress. This is what it looks like. It's kind of sheer, but when you put it on, it's not too sheer. So that's what it looks like. And then it has like the little tag on top, and with like the little tag down here. So I'm gonna try this on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's like pretty plain white dress. It's pretty nice. It fits pretty nice. This side is a little bit more form-fitting than this side is, so it's like a little bit more baggy on this side, so it doesn't really form-fit your body. Unless if you go like this, then you can like see your curves just a little bit. That's one thing that I don't like about this dress, so I wish it was like all this type of fabric, so it's a little bit more cuter on this side, I feel like, and stuff like that. But I think it's pretty cute, and it's like a nice cute dinner dress that you can wear out to dinner with some cute heels. My next one is going to be my favorite piece that I bought. It's from Marion Sale. So if you guys already know who that is, you guys know what it is. So it's the little woolen leggings. So they're really cute, and they have the little footies on the bottom. I've been wanting these for a while, and I've been like kind of contemplating on what color I wanted to get, so I got the blue ones. I really like them, so I wanted to see how they would fit before I got the top, because I didn't want to get the bottoms and then they feel weird or like they'll be uncomfortable or anything because of the foot part, and I don't know, they feel uncomfortable with me with the bottom of the feet. So I wanted to try them out before I got the top. So I really like them. They fit and feel really comfortable, so I'll show you guys how these fit next. So this is what they look like. I just matched it with a white crop top for right now. But they fit really comfortable. They're really nice. They're a little sheer, not too much, like not excessively, like where you can see everything, but like you can find. But I really like the way that they fit. And then you got the little footsies. I can't show you guys, but that's what they look like. They're really cute. I don't know. And they're really comfortable. So everything that I just tried on is from Farfetch. So that's including the leggings, the off-white t-shirt, and like the white dress. If you guys are not familiar with IMG, if you guys ever watched Euphoria, Maddie wears it. So whenever you, it's the episode where she is at the chili cook-off or whatever it is, and she like comes clapping in, and she has like that little cute purple outfit. That's from IMG. So for a while now, I've been wanting a leather jacket, but like a really long one, and I seen an Instagram model wear it, so I decided to buy the same one that she bought. Come to find out that it probably does not look better on me than it does on her, and it probably fits her way better than it fits me, because I bought it and like it's just not me. But I'm gonna still show you guys. It doesn't look great with this outfit, obviously, but I don't feel like changing it to anything else. So it has little long pockets. There's fur inside also, and there's little fur on the bottom. It would probably be cute with like a little skirt ensemble, not with this outfit, but it's nice. I don't really like it, it's not my style, but you get what you pay for, I guess. So that's what it looks like. We'll probably not be keeping it, but if anybody else likes it, it's on IMG. So I'm not really into bags like that. I don't really like spending a lot of money on bags. I don't really like wearing them either. So like if I don't have to wear one, I don't ever. But I seen this one and I like the color red also in bags, so I thought I would buy it. And it's cute. It's like a little burgundy red, so it's like a little bit like a burnt red also. So it's really cute, just like a little small purse that I can carry with my little outfits that I have. So check them out, Treasures of New York City. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick video of me unboxing stuff that I recently bought. If you guys want to know about any links or anything or how anything fits, let me know, and I can let you guys know that also. So like I said, the first 3 items that I wore are from Farfetch, but you can also get them from their actual company, which the off-white t-shirt was from the Webster. The pants, I'm not sure the pants were from, but I can find that out and I can let anyone know. And then the dress was from Browns, which you can find them online. So check them out, and I hope you guys are enjoying your quarantine and everybody's doing okay. Also, I know we just got extended, and I feel like we're gonna get extended again because New York City is bad, and so like that's a whole New York region. I don't live in New York City, but I do live in upstate New York. I also want to thank everybody for being here on my journey, also subscribing to my page, and I hope you guys, if you guys are new, that you subscribe and you push that bell notification button to get notifications whenever I post again. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else from my closet, if you guys want me to do a video like what's in my closet, because I do have other pieces that I bought in and I've never worn, that when I go shopping in like New York City or stuff like that I buy. I like more of like things that other people won't wear, so I'll wear them. So let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Let me also know about that too. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, also share if you can. Support is free. And then also my bathing suits will be out soon, so I hope you guys are ready for that, and I hope you guys are gonna stay tuned. Thank you.